You've got this is a queen, maybe even a large, maybe a full bed. Um, you could easily have a king because there's lots of space over here. There's do you see there's like tons of space in between those that end table, and then they've got an end table over here, and it's not cramped at all. You could absolutely get some more space in here easily. So good size bedroom. Here's your closet in here. The closet is uh, it's barely walk in. I'd say I went in kind of one step and walked in, so barely walk in. You do have a lot of shelves though, and so that helps quite a bit for it. And it is tall, so you could put a lot in here with the shelves that they have. Okay, so now let's cross the living room and let's go to the other side. So the other side has, here's the bathroom first. It's a very similar bathroom, the similar space, tiles are similar, and you do have the a cabinet there for storage. Now this closet is, I think it's a little bit bigger. So let me see if that light turns on. Okay, the light doesn't turn on, but the closet is a little bit bigger over here. It goes back a little bit farther. So this person will have just a little bit bigger closet, I think, and they're gonna have a little bit more storage shelf space too. So not too dissimilar, but this is bigger. And then you've got your tub over here, so that's good. And then let's go over here. Oh, let's take a look in here just to see real quick. This will open. Yes, I was hoping those were here. So you've got your washer and dryer here. So that's great. That's all covered. It's so nice to have that. I know a lot of places will have like connections, washer and dryer connections, but it's nice when they actually have the washer and dryer in there. It's just less of a pain and makes it so easy. All right, so I'm walking into the bedroom. The bedroom is very generous, like the other bedroom as far as space. It's got a nice carpet too, and then you've got. Let's look at this wall first. You've got this is a, I think this is a queen. I think queen bed, but it might be more of a full, kind of full double, bigger double. But it's a cute bed. There's a ton of space over here. There really is, between where this end table, circular table is, and then over here. There's a lot of space. So there's no reason why that cannot be a queen or a king. There's just a lot of space. It feels very, very spacious. So anyway, you got wall space up there to work with. Those continued 11-foot tall ceilings or so really help. Maybe even taller than that. If you go over here, they've got a chair there, but you could put some sort of even desk over there. I think that would be very doable with you've got a lot of space over there, so you can absolutely work that. You've got a dresser that's here, and then you could put a TV here or some other artwork or stuff like that. And then you've got a lot of space over here too. So you've got really a lot to work with, and I like the feel. I also like the lights that are here. You've got a lot of lights to work with, so the lights give you a great just vibrancy in this room, and it's really important, I think. So beautiful bedroom, and just giving. Oh, and then there's the I like the fan as well, the ceiling fan. So it's really pretty in here, and I really like it. And so now here's just a final walkthrough, just so you can see it. This is so we just came from the bedroom that's on the right, and then this is the living room area. It's really spacious. I could totally see if you wanted to have 15 or 20 people over here or more, no problem at all. There's a lot of place to have seats, to walk around. This would be a lot of fun. And then again, there's the other bedroom, very separated, that's over there. There's the kitchen, finally, with the island, which you could put three bar stools there. And then this one has that great extra study, and this, wow, that just would work at home, done. Even, you know, 2 people work at home, done. So pretty floor plan, like it, a lot of space, and wow.